5 dead in 10 seconds. The gazelles are cautious. Eventually, one of the females braves the water's edge. The water is too low for crocodiles to get close enough unseen. But there's a narrow channel in the middle of the river that's still deep enough to house a hungry croc. If the gazelle can keep solid ground beneath its hooves, it will be too quick for the crocodiles. More of the gazelles pluck up courage. The little antelopes seem to be winning, but the crossing is attracting more crocs. The gazelles are growing in confidence. So are their hunters. Incredibly, the rest of the group continue with their crossing, as the armored giants devour their companion. It's like the crocs are just tree trunks,